What's going on, guys? I'm out here in the garage. Just got back from an awesome weekend of racing the V and my dad's Grand National. So I'm going to do two separate videos kind of doing both of those, rundown on them all and everything. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put a bunch of clips in here from racing this weekend. Just go ahead and start out here. The first pass, I had just put the new blower on that I got from Rob Built on Instagram. He did a full tilt port. He cut the bottom of the blower out, welded it back up so it didn't have any weird airways or anything and would just flow super good. I did a bigger lower pulley, so it actually peaked about 18.01 pounds of boost and it carried about 17.5 the whole way down the track. So it's making some power, man. It was screaming. So the first pass, we were on 17.5 degrees of timing, and here's the slip on that. The next pass, we ended up going and we put 2 degrees more timing into it and it picked up 0.2. So this is that pass. We kept chipping away at it and just making progress. We raised the shift points a little bit. It was actually a little bit lean down low, so we richened it up a little bit and just kept progressing. It was awesome having my tuner out there. He was making changes on the fly and just super cool having him with us at the track to make it really work. And so we kept finessing it and it went 10.01 and then it went 10.02. So here's that slip. And then the day was finally ending. It was coming down to like the last, they said last half an hour at the track. So we went in and added another degree of timing. So it ended up being 20.5 degrees of timing, I believe is where we're at right now. And about 17.5 pounds of boost. And this was my first 9-second pass. So it went 9.99 at 137.85, I think. I don't know, I'm gonna put the slip in here. But also, I'm going to put my reaction after I ran the pass. I was a little bit excited, as you can tell. So that's pretty cool to see me like that. I actually turned the GoPro off after the pass, and I was so confident that it ran that 9 that I turned the GoPro back on to include that segment in the footage, just so I'd have my reaction. So anyways, awesome weekend of racing. We didn't break anything. It was kind of hot. It was, higher 2,000 DAs, so I can't wait to see how fast this car is going to go whenever we get into like 1,000 DA or less, or basically anywhere with extremely good air. I really think this car is capable of a 9.7 or a 9.8 at over 140. So we still got a couple more month or two, well, probably about a month left of racing, and yeah, I hope to get out there again and make another pass and really dip into the nines. A little bit better than 9999. So anyways, enjoy the video and comment, like, subscribe, and let me know if you guys want to see anything else. I'm going to post the Grand National video tomorrow, and that'll have all of that in it too. All right, thanks. Bye.
Yes! Yes! Yeah! Yeah, 999!
Oh, nice!
Woo! Woo!
Oh, yeah!
9? 999. Holy shit, he finally hit it.